Welcome back to another hip hop breakdown. Let's check this out right here. Walk right there. Now we're doing the wrist twirl drills. Let's do the point. All right. Okay, so that was actually a shot of my class at Mission College in the intermediate class. So what we're gonna do today, though, today is more about wrist twirl breakdown, wrist twirl. And I do have other wrist twirl drills. I'm going to put it in the link in the description below, so you can check that out. So here we go. Let's check this out here. 8, 2, 3, 4. All right. So it's just one 8 count and a 4 count. All right. So first of all, this is Mike from my class. Thanks, Mike, for doing the tutorial with me. Here we go. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go slow, and this is a wrist twirl. It's part of the locking dance family. So wrist twirl. Here we go. Let's go slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So we did that part slow. Watch the wrist twirl. Right. Again, I'm gonna have a more detailed drill on how to do the wrist twirl. But this is right hand right now. Okay. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. All right, so that's just the arm. Now next part we're gonna do with our leg. We're just jumping out on 2, jumping back in. Watch this. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So we're jumping out on 2, right? 1, 2 right there. I'm jumping out 2, boom, 2 and back on 3. Legs together on 3, 3 and 4. That's it. 3 and 4. Let's I think we try to do a tempo right now. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so the wrist twirl part is the meat of this course. All right, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So obviously now it's the left hand. All right, left hand. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Yes. Okay, same thing. We're gonna jump out now. It's halftime. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. All right. So let's put it all together. Okay, that wasn't all together, but that was the 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tempo. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Perfect. Mike did a great job. So now I think we're gonna put it all together from the 1. Here we go. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So basically right hand and left hand. All right. Moving forward. Here we go. Now we're doing. Let's check this out. Halftime. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right. So basically we did a Scooby Doo. If you don't know what a Scooby Doo is, watch my leg with the legs. 1 and 2. Okay. 3 and 4. I'm adding a point right on the 2. 1 and 2. Now, this is where I want you to watch this. Right on the 2. You see how this is and right here? The 2, my left foot is going to step down. As it's stepping down, look at my right hand. It's at the same time, it's pointing. Boom. Okay? So I want to show this because Mike is doing what a lot of people in the class is doing. 1 and. You see how the and? Real quick, slow. Real quick right here. So here's 8. 1. Okay. Watch the 1 on the end. Right on the end. This is where I'm holding my leg. Okay. You gotta hold your leg on the end. Wait for the 2. As the 2 is coming, your leg's going down right on the 2, and same thing. My arm is coming out right on the 2. Okay. So what Mike did, and what a lot of people in class are doing, is they don't hold the end. It was just like one end, or before the end, the leg comes down. Okay, you got to hold it until the 2. And 3 and 4, I'm pointing. This is my 2 right there. 3, right when I point on the 3. Mike did a good job. Point, and the right hand drops on the 3. 3, and the hand switch, right? The hand switch. This, my left hand comes down. 3 and 4. You give yourself a 5, okay? 3 and 4, right there. Okay, here we go. Let's watch the tempo. One more time. That was kind of fast. So here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay? All right, let's watch this all together. It's just 1 8.5, so this is a real short tutorial. Here we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And that is it, my friend. All right, so hopefully you guys had a little fun with this this little tutorial. But again, if you want to watch it from the very beginning, that was my intermediate class. We did other things. We did the heel tap. We did the Scooby walk. We did the heel toe twist along with the Scooby walk. So you could try that with us, okay? And but mainly we're trying to break down the little wrist twirl. Hope you have fun. Hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time.